We are back with the spaghetti update 2.0, I guess. And it's done, I believe.
Almost done. Just take it after when you empty your jar of sauce. I always put a little bit of water in there to get all the extra out. There, come on. Use some good sauce on the top. And then make sure all your
That's so
noodles are
satisfying.
covered.
Oh.
Okay, last but certainly not least, we want to do some cheese. Now, we have somebody in our family who's not able to eat cheese, so we don't put cheese on all of the spaghetti.
I feel assaulted. No.
Should be.
But we do cheese
I feel very insulted
on some of it.
just because I can't eat it. I feel very insulted.
We use some mozzarella cheese and mild cheddar.
Like mozzarella sticks. I don't know why, but I'm craving tomatoes.
Tomatoes and mala.
Well, no, I'm also craving
Yeah, you
chocolate.
can have the foul.
Oh,
All right.
just crushed it.
We're going to bake this for probably about 10 minutes, and then it's going to be ready to go. Thank you so much for learning how to make spaghetti with us.
That's it. From 816 out. Peace.